It's time to make the room shine. This video focuses on adding lighting fixtures to your model. We're going to add some ceiling mounted lighting now. By using the lighting fixture command, we'll see what it takes to get a lighting fixture into your model and align it with a ceiling grid. We'll also be setting the view range so you can see your doors. The first thing we want to do is scroll down to Lighting, Ceiling Plans, Level 1. Now let's go ahead and throw a space tag in there. Notice when you hover your mouse over this area, you'll see that there's already a space. We just haven't tagged it quite yet. On the Analyze tab, click on the Space Tag button. Let's put our space tag in our room and hit Escape once. Now, this is probably going to be in the way. Go ahead and select your tag itself. What I want to do now is click the leader button. With the leader turned on, we can select this little grip right here, hover over, and it will say Drag. Pick and drag it off. Now go ahead and click this middle grip here, and we can move it up to form a little elbow. It would be nice if there's a little dot on the end of this. So go ahead and click on the Edit Type button in your Properties dialog. For the leader arrowhead, instead of None, let's hit the drop down and scroll down till we find Dot Filled 1/16 of an inch. Click Apply, then click OK. We now have a space tag applied. Next thing I want to do is add a lighting fixture. On the Systems tab, let's click on Lighting Fixture. In the Lighting Fixture dropdown, let's scroll down till we find 2x4, 120. Notice that we can't place it anywhere. The reason is we haven't really told Revit where we want to place it. On the Placement panel, click Place on Face. Now you can see that we can place it somewhere. Let's zoom in on the ceiling and hover over one of these lines and hit your spacebar. That's going to flip the light to align 45 degrees with your grid. Now we can just come up here and go ahead and click on that intersection. While we're at it, let's add another one right here. Zoom out a little bit, hit Escape a couple times, and we're good to go. The last thing I want to look at is the fact that we can't see any of our door openings. In the Properties for Ceiling Plan, scroll down till we find the View Range dialog and click Edit. The View Range dialog tells Revit how deep into the building we're going to look. Right now our cut plane is set for 7'6". That's well above the door header. Type in 4 for the offset, click Apply. Notice in Revit that you only need to type 4 and it understands that it's feet, not inches. Click OK. Now we can see our door openings. Creating a lighting plan can be simple if you are in the right view using the right elements.